Hi guys, voiceover Chizzy here. In this video I was very sick and I was trying to see my face now. So we just arrived Abuja. I don't know why this place is so quiet though. I think I'm even at the right place. Okay. Yeah, this place is so quiet. Guys, I'm so sick, like so sick. Hey guys. Now I see what people say about like using your phone to vlog. Like you find it lazy to make videos, you understand? You find it lazy to make videos. So I just finished making breakfast. I made indomie and egg. I forgot to like vlog. Yeah, so this is Wednesday. My mom is still paining me. I went to take injection. They're still paining me. So this is Wednesday and there's nothing much to do. There's only to lie down, sleep. I'm in my friend's house. Yeah, I went to my friend's house because our school, we are on break, something like that, just 1 week break. So I had to like, go out from that school, see what is doing to my face. So it's doing to my face. So guys, if you know any cream, soap, anything I can just use, please recommend cheap ones, so I beg. I don't have money. Yeah, so I want to watch the dishes and for something else to eat because I'm hungry somehow. We'll talk later. Bye. So guys, I'm done with what I was doing downstairs. So now it's to sleep. First of all, let me just you guys something. Guys, you know that on my birthday, every 19th July, I fall sick. And I think it's a spiritual problem because it's not normal. Hey guys, good morning. Sorry. Oh yeah, I talked to you guys yesterday. So there's this thing that have been bothering me for a very long time that I really want to say. I don't know why people cannot just at least mind their business. Like, if a girl travels, runs, if she have her own house, runs, if she's poor, runs, anything she buys car, runs. I don't know why. I don't know, like my past relationships, it was open. Like I do tell people, yeah, see who I'm dating, see who I'm not dating, blah blah blah. And shit happens, people talk about it. If you decide to keep your relationship secret, they will still want to know. Like, why do you want to know? Is it your business? Anyhow, I just don't know why. I don't even know what I was doing. Guys, my face is very bad. And it's because my period wants to come out. That is why my face is very bad. But it's going to pass. How you guys doing? Sorry, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are okay. I just woke up and I've taken my bath. What am I even doing? Am I doing it to impress people? I beg you. Okay, I'm 21 for crying out loud. I'm free to do anything. Are you guys going to marry me? If you don't even get married, these same people will continue talking. So guys, just live your life. Don't even care about what people say about you, and just be happy and be smiling. Yeah, I want to cook. And do you know the worst part, guys? Is your ex, like your exes, if they see that you've elevated, like if they see that you've gone up, you're higher than them, you've seen someone better than them, they say it's wrong. Like, why do they do that? But you're the one that chased me out of your life. Like, why would you come and be saying shit again about me? Even your family, you. None of my business. In this life, I just want to be self-employed. I don't want to work under someone, and I'm working towards it. Yeah. So see you guys later. So I want to cook. I'm hungry, Jazz. I'm hungry, so I want to cook. Maybe noodles or anything. Bye. Guys, I'm ready for. One thing about me is that I cannot finish the food I make for myself. Am I the only one that does that? Comment to the section box, because I don't know. I think it's holding me. I'll cook food, but you cannot finish it. Like, I don't know. That's why I'm afraid of staying alone, because I don't know who will be eating the food. This is hope, faith, love. So hope. Just have faith. Have faith that everything you're working on is going to come. It's going to click one day. Have faith, guys. Then love. I'm not sure of love. I don't know. I don't know how I'll explain love. But just love. I want to lick ice cream. I feel like licking ice cream. I know where to find ice cream. Let me get my spoon, guys. I can't come down here again. Hey guys, sorry, I'm bored, so I said let me do sit up. People are complaining about my stomach too much. Okay, yeah. So I forgot my gym clothes. I did not bring gym clothes, so anyhow, shall wear gown and do it. I just did 10. 20 more to go. It's painful. Hey guys, it's late already, but I'm going out with my friends to go and take one or two. I'm taking these sweets. I need to go and drink. Let's go and get high again. I'm just wearing a simple gown. Hey, don't mind my stomach. I've said gym. There's something my auntie told me to take. I should be taking lemon water. Yeah. So they're out. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? I like clicking this because of the mint. I like mint. Bye.